All right, it's moving day. Hi,
All
Jody.
right. Hello, it's moving day. We're gonna get you girls out to your run. It's a beautiful day. Come on. Look, there's your friend. Come on. Come here, you little yellow. Oh, thank you. That worked. Come on. Come on. Come here. I'm gonna block the door. Now I have to get you. Come here. Come here. All right.
I'm gonna get a bird. Come here, bird. Oh, come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Oh, I got one. Oh, she's not happy. Look, the bird. It's like super bird.
Oh, I can't reach, so I'm gonna hurt my back. Come on.
You can do it, Jody.
All the way around. Come on. I'm like, what the heck? Come here. Now you go on the other side. Come on. Good job.
One more. And then
All
we get
right. Come here. All right, girls. You know what this is. This is your travel box.
All right, slap that lid on. All right, we made it outside.
All right, girls. This is your favorite place. Come on. It's okay. Look. Remember this?
Look at them. Look, yellow one's out bad.
Come on. Wow, you're a feisty one. Come on. Okay. There you go.
Do we have all of them? 8? Yeah. Oh, that feels so much better. Flap those. Whoa. Oh, life is good. I see you flap some more wings. That's the one thing they couldn't do in the box. Look at her looking out the window. She's like, what is this? Oh, they're hitting the grass again. I love the grass. What you think, Yellow? You like the grass, Yellow? Okay.
That one flies a lot. Feels good.
What do you girls say? Huh?
Thank you. Thanks for taking me out.
Did you hear that chicken hawk flying? She's like, yeah, I'm not happy with that. Somebody already pooped. Is that what that is? Yeah, big pile of poop right there.
You don't need to videotape the poop.
Nice. All right, that's exciting.